David.
And I'm Joshua.
Welcome to my mom's channel. Today my mom is making our favorite snack, chocolate chip cookies. Yay!
Please don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks. Here are the ingredients.
Unsalted butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, salt,
Eggs, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and chocolate chip cookies. Melt the butter on a heated saucepan. Let it cool. Transfer to a cup.
Awesome! In a large bowl, combine melted butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. Whoa! It looks like white rain! Mix well.
Make sure it is evenly combined.
You should mix
Well. Then add eggs.
Whoa! Magic! One at a time. Whisk it, Mom. Time for exercise. Whoa.
At this point, the batter should look like a slime.
I love slime. Slime!
Add vanilla extract. Salt. Mix, mix, mix. You want some more? Stop.
Sift flour and baking soda together. Come on, bro. Perfect.
I'm gonna save it. David.
Mix, mix. But don't overmix it. Okay. Oh, I think my mom just overmixed it.
Oh, it's okay. We make mistakes, but we just have to move on and learn from it.
Alright, chocolate chips.
Gently fold it into the batter.
Grease the baking sheet.
Line with parchment paper. Now roll cookie dough balls using 2 spoons
Or ice cream scoop.
or using your bare hands.
You may chill it overnight, but if you can't wait like me, let's bake it right now. Wait! Let's stud extra chocolate chips into the cookie balls. Come on, bro, help me. Hard part.
All right. High five. Pop it into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or when it turns golden brown. Get ready with your milk. This is perfect for our chocolate chip cookies.
It's here, but let it sit for about 5 minutes. Ah, smells good. Ooh, it's chocolatey.
Chewy.
Gooey. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like below. And share with your friends and family. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. Thank you for watching.